We manage the gas network that delivers gas to homes and businesses across Scotland and the south of England. We're upgrading our network by replacing our old metal gas mains with new plastic pipe. Service pipes connect your home to the gas main in the street. If your service pipe is metal, we sometimes need to switch off your gas supply for up to a day whilst we replace it with a new plastic pipe. You may find there are barriers outside your home, even if you don't use gas. We'll always aim to keep driveways clear unless previously agreed with you. Speak to us when you receive your advanced notice letter or while we're working if you're worried about access, so we can sort something out as quickly as possible. Once all the service pipes are replaced, we may need to switch off your gas supply for a second time when we replace the larger gas main in the street. If we've finished working for the night and you smell gas, call 0800 111 999. Once we've replaced all our pipes, we'll refill any holes and restore surfaces. Thanks for your patience while we, with our contractors, ensure your street has a continued safe and reliable gas supply for many years to come.